Let's be real, AI isn't the future, it's happening right now. People are building six-figure incomes using AI, without coding, without a big following, and without spending years learning complicated tools. In 2025, if you're not using AI to boost your income, you're already behind. But here's the good news, it's not too late. Today I'm breaking down 3 real AI side hustles that people are using to make over $100,000 a year, and how you can start doing it yourself. Let's get into it. First up, AI consulting. Right now, businesses are panicking. Everyone's talking about AI, but very few actually know how to use it. That's where you come in. As an AI consultant, you help people figure out how to apply the tools to their real-world business. And no, you don't need to be a tech wizard, you just need to understand what tools do what. ChatGPT for writing emails and answering customer questions. Zapier for automating tasks between apps. Notion AI for organizing company knowledge and workflows. You're not building the tools, you're teaching people how to use them smarter. And here's the money. Consultants are charging anywhere from $100 to $200 an hour for these services. Want to start small? Offer a $50 AI audit, jump on a 30-minute Zoom call with a business owner, ask questions, suggest a few tools, and boom, you're in business. Package your services into bundles. AI starter setup, $99 email, automation build, $149 monthly AI retainer, $500 and up. Now you're not just making money, you're building something scalable. Next, AI content reviewer. Everyone's using AI to generate content. But most of that content, it still needs a human touch. That's where you come in. You don't have to be a professional editor. You just need to know how to clean up AI-written text so it sounds clear, natural, and human. Here's how you do it. Step 1. Use Grammarly to correct basic grammar. Step 2. Use Hemingway or Writer.com to fix tone and structure. Step 3. Do a final pass with your own voice. Ask, would a real person say this? Companies are paying $25 to $50 an hour for this kind of cleanup. It's simple, it's fast, and it's scalable. You can start on Fiverr, Upwork, or go straight to small blogs, coaches, or brands who are pumping out AI content and just need a reliable final pass. Want to go even bigger? Turn this into a micro agency, hire other reviewers, use AI to edit faster, scale your output. This side hustle is quiet, but profitable. Third, AI-powered marketing consultant. This one's a beast. Using AI tools like Jasper, Copy.ai, Surfer SEO, and ChatGPT, you can create entire content marketing campaigns in hours, not weeks. You're not guessing what to write. AI helps you research keywords, write blog posts, create Instagram captions, and even build email sequences. What does that mean? You can walk into a small business and say, hey, I can automate your content and bring in leads on autopilot. They're gonna listen. Start by offering a free content audit. Show them where they're missing out, then pitch a package. Full AI marketing system, $750 setup, monthly AI content plan, $1,000 per month, everything done for you, $3,000 or more per month. And get this, a single client at $3,000 a month, that's $36,000 a year. Get just 3 clients and you've hit the 6-figure mark. These are not hypothetical side hustles. These are happening right now. You don't need to go viral. You don't need 100,000 followers. You need 2 things, a little bit of AI knowledge and the courage to take action. And that's what CashGPT is all about. Every week I break down AI tools, money strategies, and beginner-friendly side hustles that actually work. If you're tired of get-rich-quick hype and want real game, then hit subscribe, follow CashGPT, and let's build your first AI-powered income stream. One move at a time. The tools are free. The info is here. Now it's your turn to move. Let's build that bag.